Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to ZTE Axon 20. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Nextly, choose Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Also on Axon 20, choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung. On it, you can click on all of those categories at the top and in them choose those type of dots to select all of your files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Now click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on ZTE next to Input key. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by tapping on Input key section, typing in all of those numbers, and connecting using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!